Hey fellas, this is Johnny, and here I'll show you how to open the rooftop tent. Before you push the button to open it, you have to remember to open the belt here, okay? Here you have the first one and here you have the second one. After, you have to open the button until you hear the click. When you hear the click, this means that the rooftop is unlocked and you can just push it like that and the thing will open. Okay, here you have the ladder and you have to open first those just for the maximum extension of the ladder, and then you turn it up. Once the ladder is open, you can place it here. It's not very close to the table because if you don't open it completely, they will touch the table, so you can't really step with your feet on the ladder. Once you go up, you can keep pushing the rooftop and it will open completely. Okay, here you have also the reading light where you can turn it on, and also you have a USB to charge your laptop or your phone. Just to remember, here you have the oblo, which you have the mosquito net from one side, and the other side you have the blinder. Remember that you can also open it from here. Just by turning these, you can open the oblo. Remember, never run with the oblo open when you drive. You can just close it. Just remember, if you want to open all the tent around you, you can always then fold the tent here and keep it open like this. And two. I showed you how to open this rooftop, now we have to see how to close it. So you can untouch here and again closing on the zip. This elastic is really important because while you're closing the tent, it will help to keep the tent inside, otherwise it will get stuck into the lockers. Just make sure that the bed is well done before you close the rooftop. Now close the rooftop. We have to make sure that while closing the rooftop, all the tent is inside the camper van and not outside, otherwise it will be stuck in the lock system of the rooftop. Pushing this thing here, we can push it completely from the middle, making sure while pushing that the tent is inside. Also we have to help it to get right, and then when we close it, we make sure that it's completely locked. 1 and 2. If the rooftop is not locked, they will make a noise when we turn the key. This thing is so annoying, it's always on my face. Okay, so we roll it up and we don't forget the belt here to keep the rooftop properly closed. 1 and 2. If the rooftop is not closed properly, when we will turn the key, we'll make this kind of noise. If you hear this sound, probably it's because you didn't lock the rooftop from here, from the handles. 1 and 2. To close the ladder, first we close the top one, and then we press those buttons underneath the ladder, like here, the second one, and the third. Make sure that your fingers are out of these, and then we place it in the back of the van again. Just a few things to remember before you start driving again. Check if the rooftop is closed properly and all the belts are also secured, and then it's okay and you don't hear the sound anymore from the safety system of the rooftop. Thanks to watch the video, and I'll see you in the next one.